Storms that came through triggered a fire alarm, causing that evacuation. Students at Elmdale Elementary in Springdale were evacuated after lightning struck a tree behind the school. The school says the force from the thunderclap shattered a window and set off the fire alarm. A staff member then smelled smoke, and the school ordered everyone outside. The school says they inspected the outlets to make sure everything was safe and then let the kids back in. Some parents, though, decided to pick up their kids for the day. Well, Springdale schools say that evacuation lasted about 10 minutes. Daniel Armbruster, 4029 News.